Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to yet another video. I am Dhani, and if you are new here then please do consider subscribing because we are like super close to hitting 100k subscribers here. Today finally you will be getting to know the whole of the story time about how did I settle here in Pune and where am I actually staying, what was the whole process, and I'm like so much dying to tell you guys about it because it was whole of an insane process. Today finally मुझे time मिल गया to sit down and film this video for you guys, and मैं इतने दिनों से बस सोच रही थी that I'll be doing it today and then I'm postponing it for the other day, and that just kept on happening. And because of the reason that weekdays pay till Friday, I have my regular college and then I just get the weekends in which I already have so many things to figure out and do and work and all sort of things. It's really been a task to manage life these days and I'm literally trying my best to get everything done. And also, just in case if you're somebody who has just not watched my previous video, let me just give you a little context. So the thing is that I just moved out from my home and came to Pune 2-3 weeks back, and that was solely for my college. Here in Pune, I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in MIT WPU. Pehle, I really want to tell you a few of my expectations that I had before coming here and a few of the plannings that I was already doing जब मैं यहाँ नहीं आई हुई थी. Okay, so the thing is that मेरा admission round 1 में ही हो गया था, and since that time I had almost 1.5 months to figure out that where can I stay here for my college, and तभी से ही I was looking for options around on the internet. एक बार तो while we were discovering something online, we almost got scammed. But then once I got to know that online things won't be possible that much, we'll have to figure it out once we just reach here. तो फिर मैंने छोड़ दिया. The first thing that comes to everybody's mind, obviously when we are going to college, is that कि college के खुद के hostels तो होंगे. So all in all, there shouldn't be any problem. And yes, the college does have hostels which are like external hostels, in-campus hostels नहीं है. I also then tried and contacted a few of them, and then when I got to know the pointers and everything, I was somewhat not liking certain factors. The first thing actually was that hostels were so damn overpriced. Basically hostels के पहले तो ये situation होता है that you can opt for double or triple occupancy, which comes on the affordable side, but for myself I was actually wanting to go for a single occupancy room because of my own certain preferences obviously, and for that hostel prices were as high as 4.5 LPA, and obviously that just made no sense for me. And almost the same condition and situation with PGs as well. And then in the picture obviously comes flats. Now it was not at all as easy as it sounds and seems, क्योंकि the major factor here was time. तो हुआ ये था that मेरा college 1st of August से start होने वाला था, and according to that I had my tickets already booked for the 17th of July. Around 25th of June something, I got this email from my college saying that our dates have been preponed to 15th of July. But then फिर भी just to confirm myself मैंने एक mail किया, so I just got to know that no, it's compulsory and classes actually 15th of July से start होंगे. So obviously a very panic stricken situation, but still we just did book our tickets on priority, and then फिर मैं यहाँ आई on the 9th of July, and then मेरा college 15 से start हो रहा था, so I just had 6 days in my hand. इन 6 दिनों में I actually had to figure out कि where am I gonna be staying. Lot of discussions happened, and then finally we came at a conclusion that okay, we can look for flats, we can hunt for them, and then if we find like a proper decent one, we can go up settling in a flat. Now I know एक first year student के लिए इस चीज़ के against एक अलग ही fan base है, but still I had my own solid pointers जिसके कारण it was actually fitting to my current life situation. Flat का finally decide हो गया था. It was then time to hunt for places, and flat hunting in Pune is not an easy task, my dear. Maybe I suffered so much because of the time constraint, but then anyway 11 से we actually started to look for places, and then सबसे पहले we would obviously go to the place around the college so that commute में easy रहे. We tried seeing so many places around the college. The situation of the flats nearby, like even in the proximity of almost 4-5 kilometers, because college के area में तो the moment we just went there, everybody was like slamming their doors that अब there is like no space for accommodation. मैं सच बता रही हूँ, I really cannot imagine myself in the worst of my nightmare living at such places. Like even the buildings in the societies, they were like so old, and घर का situation तो I really cannot tell you. That was probably one of the worst days of my life. I was really in such an insane condition. मैंने कुछ भी shoot भी नहीं किया था. Now one of the biggest problem that came right here in the picture was that यहाँ पे कोई भी flats and कोई भी houses, you really won't get to contact the owner directly. You'll have to go through this brokerage situation. तो हमें ये चीज़ पहले से पता थी, but when we actually went through this whole process ना, it was just so damn ajeeb, because they were actually like, we'll charge up to 1.5 months of the rent of the place that you'll finalize. Like bro, seriously? Still we were like okay, because हमारे पास genuinely कोई और option नहीं था. अब जब brokers के through हमने flats देखना शुरू किया, we were actually seeing for a 1 BHK sort of flat. The houses, even in the societies there, were disgusting. It was in such insanely bad condition. I really cannot explain it to you guys. So उसी दिन रात को, now we were just looking up for flats online again on the platforms like No Broker and stuff. And then फिर हमारा प्रॉपर ऐसे नेक्स्ट डे से फ्लैट हंटिंग स्टार्ट हुआ, knowing the fact कि अब यहाँ क्या सिचुएशन है, that we'll have to go through this brokerage thing and ये सारी चीज़ें. Also just right here I didn't give you a context that no, I was not going to be staying alone in that flat. My elder sister was going to stay along with me and अभी she wasn't here, so mama had come along ताकि मुझे वो अच्छे से सेटल कर दे. So like second day पे भी सुबह के निकले हुए almost 4 o'clock तक we really didn't find any good place. Please इस दिन हमारे पास थोड़ा सा hope था, because we got to know about this one society जहाँ पे कुछ flats खाली थे, and we were just waiting for the brokers ताकि वो आए and they can just show us the flat. हम सब की इस जगह से काफ़ी high expectations थी. So those were just a few places that we saw. इस फ्लैट के बारे में we got to know out of nowhere, like very randomly. And the moment I stepped in here, I cannot tell you the joy that I had in me seeing all those ugly places. This was like heaven for me. This was like a dream come true place for me. And obviously every great thing comes with its own con. But वो सब मैं बताऊँ उसके पहले I really want you to give an empty flat tour. So go and watch it. Undoubtedly, this was the dream flat that I was always and always imagining of. It just had the perfect view, the perfect window panes that I have always and always seen on Pinterest, and the fact that I would be the first tenant here if I stay here, because अब तक apparently इस place की पूजा भी नहीं हुई थी, and that was about to happen. मैंने जब first time यहाँ enter किया, that moment itself I decided that no, this is the place that I am gonna be staying. Then we just discussed everything, and I was really like कि काश ये मिल जाए. We still had this think that we'll have to talk to the owner first and then ही ऐसे कुछ finalize हो सकता है. So all that just happened, leaving everything aside, that was like a separate chaos that I really don't want to get in now. But yeah, if I now talk about the cons here, this place is a little far from my college and फिलहाल तो मुझे commute करने में actually problem हो रहा है. Still figuring that thing out. और तो कोई ऐसी problem नहीं है, but yeah, this is the only concern that I have right now. And that was the story time that I had with myself, and I really wanted to share it all with you guys as well. Now obviously इस empty flat को घर बनाने के लिए it would take a lot of things, and I'm super excited to share you the whole process. And for that obviously you'll have to make sure that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you get notified the next time I post. And yeah, if you're watching till here, you can comment butterfly so that I know that you are the one. I'll be seeing you super soon in a brand new video with so many amazing ghar ka content and obviously a lot more. So take care of yourself, stay happy, bye.